least 9 months. Clowney was the top overall pick in this year's draft and only played in 4 games this season. Brazilian soccer great Pelé has been released from the hospital after a 2-week stay. He had surgery to remove kidney stones last month and was hospitalized again for a urinary tract infection. The 74-year-old will continue his recovery process at home. Ottawa Senators coach Paul McLean gave an exit press conference on Tuesday that included, of all things, a quote from Taylor Swift and an overhyped fan. Take a look.
My daughter Darren said to me today that something about players play, and I'm going to shoot it. Any questions? That is not my daughter.
And it doesn't get much more extreme than this. Professional skier Connie Townsend skied right down a vertical chute in the Alaska Mountains. Look at this. That released footage comes from his film